In the frame of our project, we will offer a huge training program for more than 3,500 participants in all participating countries. The basement for this training program is a huge research program we are doing at the moment to find out the needs in the field of mental health. In the first step, these trainings will be offered in presence in seminars. In the second step, these trainings will be also offered in an online format, in a hybrid format. And in the third step, more or less after the project, all the training units we developed in the frame of this project are available via a Moodle platform for download, and all trainings are free of fees.
Our future multidisciplinary mental health training program aims to facilitate multidisciplinary approach. It aims to facilitate not just, understanding that it is important to work multidisciplinary with mental health conditions, with people, supporting them. It aims to help people to dive deep in this understanding. It will help people to accept this multidisciplinary, comprehensive approach by heart, not just by mind. So that's the aim of those training. It will be rolled out, first of all, in 6 pilot countries, and then after feedback collection, we will roll out in other all European Union, plus Norway, plus Iceland, plus Ukraine. So that will be 30 countries in which our program will be delivered to people. But that's not just it, because idea is that this training program will stay in the countries. So all materials will be available, and people and trainers and psychologists and professionals, teachers, educators, they can not just participate, but they can use this material, they can reuse them, and this program will live and will go on into the future. When I'm thinking about benefits from different programs, I always try to apply it to myself. And when I'm thinking about me participating in such a kind of program, that's definitely about networking. That's definitely about a broadening of the field of people around me, broadening my worldview, and not just taking something from the program, but also giving something back during the program to all participants. Because idea of this training program, that's multidisciplinarity, and participants will be from different fields, and that there will be a chance to learn from teachers, from social workers, from professionals working in detention centers, from mental health professionals, from health professionals. We all have a lot of different things to learn from each other. And idea of this program to boost this learning and to support and again to move forward this comprehensive approach to mental health. As for the content of the training program, it will have a modular approach. It will look like a puzzle. It will look like a constructor which will be tailored to particular target audience. There will be separate modules which are for everyone, and there will be separate modules which are dedicated to special group of professionals. Modules for teachers, for social workers, for mental health professional, etc. And also there will be cross-cutting issue like mental health and climate change, for example, and other issues which are absolutely important now. At the end of our project, we will have this European blueprint, European toolkit developed for mental health capacity building. Idea of this toolkit is to collect all our experience, all our data gathered during 3 years of the project, to collect all our materials and put them in one place and create some kind of guidance for policymakers, for decision makers, for service providers, guidance on how to organize, how to move forward capacity building in this comprehensive multidisciplinary way.